Hello and welcome to Tewelder Educational Channel, your home for smart and simple science learning. In this channel, we break down Grade 8 General Science exam questions, give you the correct answers, and explain them step by step so you really understand. Whether you're preparing for your school exam or just want to boost your science skills, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share with your friends, because learning is better together. Now, let's dive into today's questions.
Question number 31. Which of the following correctly describes the main function of the human muscular system? A. Allows movement. B. Transports blood. C. Regulates body temperature. D. Produces blood cells. The answer is A. Allows movement. Explanation. The primary function of the muscular system is to enable movement of the body and its parts. Question number 32. The following are major structural components of the human skeletal system. 1. Bones. 2. Joints. 3. Cartilages. 4. Ligaments. Which component is rigid, hard, and made of whitish tissue? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The answer is A. 1. Explanation. Bones are rigid, hard structures composed of whitish tissue, providing the body framework. Question number 33. Which human digestive system disease causes inflammation of the lining of the stomach? A. Constipation. B. Gastritis. C. Diarrhea. D. Hemorrhoids. The answer is B. Gastritis. Explanation. Gastritis refers to inflammation of the stomach lining, usually due to infection, irritation, or long-term use of certain drugs. Question number 34. Which of the following statements describes the main function of the human respiratory system? A. Exchange gases between lungs and blood. B. Create sound by vibrating vocal cords. C. Produces male and female gametes. D. Breaks down complex food molecules. The answer is A. Exchange gases between lungs and blood. Explanation. The main function of the respiratory system is gas exchange, specifically oxygen intake and carbon dioxide removal. Question number 35. One of the following correctly describes the main function of the human circulatory system. A. Maintaining constant internal environment. B. Creating sound by vibrating vocal cords. C. Transporting blood throughout the body. D. Providing solid framework to the body. The answer is C. Transporting blood throughout the body. Explanation. The circulatory system transports oxygen, nutrients, hormones, and waste products throughout the body.
Question number 36. One of the following statements correctly explains the concept of menstrual cycle. A is one of primary sexual characteristics. B, its monthly cycle lasts for 28 days. C, occurs during pregnancy. D, includes only the menstrual phase. The answer is B. Its monthly cycle lasts for 28 days. Explanation: the menstrual cycle typically lasts around 28 days and includes multiple phases: menstruation, follicular phase, ovulation, and luteal phase. Question number 37. An interaction of living things and non-living things in an environment is called A, community, B, population, C, habitat, D, ecosystem. The answer is D, ecosystem. Explanation: an ecosystem includes both living biotic and non-living abiotic components interacting with each other. Question number 38. In the food chain shown below, which organism can be considered as primary consumer? Grass, grasshopper, bird, snake. A, grass. B, snake. C, grasshopper. D, bird. The answer is C, grasshopper. Explanation: primary consumers eat producers, plants. Here, the grasshopper feeds on grass. Question number 39. Which of the following correctly summarizes the main characteristics of soil? A, soil is a liquid substance found only in mountains. B, has different textures, colors, pH levels, nutrients, and moisture. C, has the same properties in all regions of the world. D, is composed of gases and does not support plant growth. The answer is B, has different textures, colors, pH levels, nutrients, and moisture. Explanation: soil varies greatly depending on location and includes a mixture of minerals, organic matter, air, and water. Question number 40. Which of the following is a method of water conservation? A, growing vegetation. B, cutting plants near water bodies. C, releasing wastes to water bodies. D, wasting water by keeping tabs open. The answer is A, growing vegetation. Explanation: vegetation helps retain soil moisture, reduce runoff, and maintain water cycles, aiding in conservation.
Question number 41. Which of the following correctly describes the dust particles found in the atmosphere? They are A, source of all kinds of rainfall. B, main parts of naturally occurring gases. C, gaseous form of water in the atmosphere. D, found in the form of sand, smoke, and oceanic salt.
The answer is D, found in the form of sand, smoke, and oceanic salt. Explanation: atmospheric dust particles are solid and include substances like sand, smoke, and sea salt that influence weather and climate.
Question number 42. One of the following human activities causes deforestation. A, cutting of trees. B, planting of trees. C, protecting the trees. D, replanting of the forest. The answer is A, cutting of trees. Explanation. Deforestation primarily results from the cutting down of trees without adequate reforestation. Question number 43. Which of the following evidence proves that the Earth is spherical in shape? A. Moon and sun are spherical in shape. B. The shape of Earth is flat. C. The Earth floats in the sky. D. The Earth has an ellipse shape. The correct answer is A. Moon and sun are spherical in shape. Explanation. The spherical shapes of celestial bodies like the moon and sun support the idea that Earth is also spherical. Question number 44. The internal structure of the Earth consists of A. Atmosphere, core, and mantle. B. Troposphere, crust, and core. C. Crust, mantle, and core. D. Stratosphere, crust, and mantle. The correct answer is C. Crust, mantle, and core. Explanation. The Earth's internal structure is composed of the crust, mantle, and core. Question number 45. Day and night formation is the result of A. Revolution of the Earth. B. Rotation of the Earth. C. Revolution of the Sun. D. Rotation of the Sun. The correct answer is B. Rotation of the Earth. Explanation. Day and night occur due to the Earth's rotation on its axis. Question number 46. Which of the following diagrams shows pushing force? The correct answer is C. Explanation. Diagram C shows a person pushing a loaded cart. This is a clear example of a pushing force. Question number 47. The final effect of the force when a man is hammering a tin or can is A. Change of position. B. Change in direction of motion. C. Deformation. D. Motion with constant velocity. The correct answer is C. Deformation. Explanation. Hammering changes the shape of the tin. This is deformation caused by force. Question number 48. When you want to measure force using the spring balance, the scale on the device is calibrated in A. Kilogram, B. Newton, C. Second, D. Meter. The correct answer is B. Newton. Explanation. Force is measured in Newton.
Question number 49.
The ability to do work is called A. Force, B. Work, C. Energy, D. Temperature. The correct answer is C. Energy. Explanation. Energy is the capacity or ability to perform work. Question number 50. When a box is dropped from a certain height, energy is transformed from A. Kinetic to potential, B. Potential to kinetic, C. Electrical to mechanical, D. Potential to sound. The correct answer is B. Potential to kinetic. Explanation. A falling object converts potential energy at height to kinetic energy, motion.
Question number 51. Which of the following is not a renewable source of energy? A. Biomass. B. Geothermal energy. C. Wind energy. D. Fuel. The correct answer is D. Fuel. Explanation. Fuel, fossil fuels, is non-renewable, while biomass, geothermal and wind are renewable.
Question number 52. Which of the following correctly explains about families of the solar system? A. All of them revolve around the sun. B. Only some revolve around the sun. C. All of them have equal period of revolution. D. Life exists on all of the planets. The correct answer is A. All of them revolve around the sun. Explanation. All celestial bodies in the solar system, including planets, revolve around the sun. Question number 53. To develop a model of the solar system, which factor should you consider to represent the real solar system? A. Color. B. Material. C. Order. D. Mass. The correct answer is C. Order. Explanation. The order of planets and their distances from the sun are most important when modeling the solar system. Question number 54. Which of the following is correct about the motion of large bodies in the solar system? They revolve around the A. Earth, B. Sun, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. The correct answer is B. Sun. Explanation. All planets and large bodies in the solar system revolve around the sun. Question number 55. One of the following is the unique characteristic of the Earth. The Earth has A. Many rings, B. Thick cloud cover, C. Liquid water, D. Huge magnetosphere. The correct answer is C. Liquid water. Explanation. Liquid water is a unique feature of Earth, crucial for supporting life. Question number 56. When light passes through a white prism, different colors are formed. This phenomenon is called A. Conduction, B. Dispersion, C. Refraction, D. Reflection. The correct answer is B. Dispersion. Explanation. The splitting of white light into different colors by a prism is called dispersion. Question number 57. When you hit a drum with a stick, you hear the sound of the drum. This indicates that sound is produced as a result of A. Vibration of the drum skin, B. Reflection of sound from the drum, C. Diffraction of sound from the drum, D. Dispersion of sound from the drum. correct answer is A. Vibration of the drum skin. Explanation: sound is produced due to the vibration of the drum skin when struck. Question number 58. When you touch one part of a spoon immersed in hot tea, you feel heat. By what method does the heat transfer to the other end of the spoon? A. Convection. B. Radiation. C. Refraction. D. Conduction. The correct answer is D. Conduction. Explanation: conduction is the process by which heat is transferred through direct contact of particles in a solid. In a metal spoon, heat travels from the hot end, in tea, to the cooler end, you touch, through conduction. Question number 59. Which of the following is not needed in the construction of an electric circuit? A. Light bulb. B. Switch. C. Insulator. D. Battery. The correct answer is C. Insulator. Explanation: an electric circuit requires components that allow current to flow, such as a battery, switch, and light bulb. An insulator does not conduct electricity, so it is not required for constructing a circuit. Question number 60. The branch of physics that deals with the property of magnets is A. Mechanics, B. Sound, C. Heat, D. Magnetism. The correct answer is D. Magnetism. Explanation: magnetism is the branch of physics that studies magnetic fields, forces, and materials. It explains the behavior and properties of magnets.